Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email marketing with Mailchimp easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the Audience tab on the dashboard and click on it. If you haven't created an audience yet, you'll need to set one up by clicking Create Audience. Fill out the required information, including audience name and default email address. Navigate to the Sign Up Forms option under the Audience tab. Choose the type of form you want to use, such as an embedded form or a landing page. Customize your form by adding fields, changing color schemes, and editing the confirmation message. Save your changes when you're satisfied with the form design. Now, head back to the dashboard and click on the Campaigns tab. Select Create Campaign and choose Email from the drop-down menu. From here, select Automated to start setting up your email automation. Next, customize the content of your automated email. Click Design Email and choose a template that fits your brand. Add your subject line, preview text, and the body of the email, making sure it's engaging. Once you're satisfied with your email content, click Next to review your campaign settings. Check everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. After that, click Start Sending or Schedule, according to your preference. Your email automation is now set up and ready to go. Monitor the performance of your campaign from the Reports section to make necessary adjustments in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.